Today we are looking at a Champion Gardner Denver twin piston air compressor. The unit is equipped with a ball door, 10 horsepower, 208, 230, 460 three-phase electric motor. Here is a look at the unit's oil sight glass. As you can see, it has oil in the unit. We are now going to do an overall look of the machine itself. As you can see, it's in overall good condition. This unit comes with an American-made cast iron compressor pump. As you can see, the unit is a bit dusty. We just got it off of a truck, but as you can see, it's in overall good condition. The unit will be test ran before shipment. A link to our company website will be in the video description below. Our contact information will be following in the video.